You guys can't see the fucking numbers, but this is what's gonna work because I fixed it, but then it's not fixed. But today I'm doing a trade recap, and going into the day, right, we had this huge gigantic sell-off. I know you guys can't see the numbers, that shit don't fucking matter. We had a huge gigantic sell-off, right? So it's probably less probable conditions to trade, but obviously you're gonna be looking for shorts in this type of market conditions with this gigantic of a sell-off. Now let's go down to the short I took. So going into the market, right at market open, we decided to pump up for some odd reason. Not an odd reason necessarily, but a very interesting opportunity to go long. Sorry, I don't know why I stuttered there. But basically all I did was, so we chop up slowly this whole time. We get to a point when we put in a high right around the macro time and we start to sell off. We get an internal change in the state. Now, could I have been too zoomed in here? Yeah, because nothing really was happening on any other time frame. We had a 15-minute opened up, which kind of gave me the bias for this. Now, so the trade came right here. I basically entered off this change in the state and this 1-minute imbalance. Now I messed up here. So I entered right here. Stop was at this high. And now I had two targets, right? I think it was this. It was like in between here was the open of the 15-minute imbalance. I can mark it out for you guys. As you see, this was the open of the 15-minute. And this was the open of the 5 minutes. These are my two PTs, right? So this was the break-even target, because like once the 15-minute gets tapped, you want to be break-even because there's what do you want to call it? Like there's gonna be pullback like this. So I instantly get stopped out though because we run that imbalance and stop out. But if I would have had my stop at that protected high, not necessarily the protected high, but the high overall, we would came down, would have been at break even, would have got stopped at break even, because I don't think I would have trimmed one con here because it was such low. It was only such low RR, but it would have been a break even trade overall. So like, what am I learning from this trade necessarily? I think my mic might be on the wrong thing. Is my mic? Okay, I hope so. It's working, but could be too zoomed in. Not the cleanest displacement. Not really an SMT high. London high wasn't taken, right? That was our draw. We wanted to see London high taken, then we would go short. As you see over here, I took a short on demo right here. We get London high finally taken. That becomes our protected high once London high is taken. Also, you start to reject this 4-hour imbalance right here. There's definitely a lot of room to the downside now. So you have the 4-hour lining with bearish. 1 hour is obviously bearish. 15-minute just inverses this, dumps. 5-minute inverses it, dumps. Looks like this is a time to go short now. As you see, we're opening this 5-minute. Took this on demo right here, slowly selling. Expect us to see way lower, overall lower, but yeah, I mean, that was a trade today. There's two things I learned here. Probably should stop at higher up or wait for the London to be taken, then the continuation lower, because no liquidity is really taken here. We had this original consolidation taken, but we didn't get London like we expected to get London taken. Now I do expect to see, like, we'll probably see way lower now. That I don't know why my TPs keep like getting dragged all the way to Narnia, but I do expect us to see way lower now once London was taken, and once we are starting to sell off, we'll probably just chop down overall. But yeah, that's the trade recap. Super, super small loss. Went in low size because conditions were less probable. You got to be able to recognize that when trading. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Join my free Discord if you want to learn how I trade. Not learn how I trade, but just see why I took these trades. Like this move right here is kind of what I wanted this move to do, but like it didn't. It's okay. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Keep grinding. God bless.